Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This comes in a white exterior with a tan interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist. Come around to the back here, we have our 4MATIC Mercedes-Benz and GLC 300 badging, and a power opening and closing trunk. The premium Burmester sound system throughout the vehicle here. Rear seats. Quick look up towards the front of the vehicle. Memory seats with the driver seat controls, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle is 64,446, and we have a push-button ignition. Mercedes-Benz navigation system, radio, and backup camera. Shifter, climate control, and center console. Now, if you have any questions or like to see any additional photos of this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.